Hello everyone, I'm Syed Aizaz Ali Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I bring some important terminologies about crime and criminals, and eventually it is related with the field of criminal justice system and with the discipline of criminology. This criminological vocabulary will make your concept clear regarding the crime and criminals. So to know about these terms, be with me till the end of this video. So let's start. Crime. Crime is an illegal act which is against the criminal law and is punishable by the court. Criminal, culprit, or perpetrator is a person who violates the law and is entitled to punishment after conviction by the court of law. Sin, violation of divine law or violation of the command of God is called sin. Vice. When a person is repeating sin again and again, then it is called vice. Deviant. A person who violates the social norms of a society is called deviant. Juvenile. A child who is under the age of adulthood, which is usually 18 years, would be considered as juvenile. Delinquent. A child who has committed a crime is called delinquent. Sentence. The punishment given to the accused found guilty by a court of law is called sentence. Probation. Probation is a conditional release of an offender to serve the sentence in the community under the supervision of a probation officer. Parole. Parole is the release of an offender after serving majority portion of sentence in the prison and to spend the remaining part of sentence in the community under the supervision of parole officer. Prison. Prison is a building which consists of a lot of cells where serious and habitual criminals are incarcerated. It consists of criminals who are sentenced for a long term of imprisonment. Jail. Jail is a building which consists of a lot of cells where different categories of criminals are incarcerated, like under trial, awaiting for parole, and those who are convicted for a short-term sentence. Cell. Cell is a small room in prison where criminals are held. Lockup. Lockup is a cell in a police station where alleged criminals are held prior to the court cases. Caught red-handed. When police arrest the offender while doing an illegal act on the spot, then it is called caught red-handed by the police. Handcuffs. A pair of lockable rings put on a criminal wrist by police to secure his escape. Criminalistics. It is another term used for forensic sciences, which means the scientific way of examining the physical evidences in criminal or civil cases. Actus reus. The physical and practical act to commit a crime. Mens rea. The mental criminal intentions of a person to commit a crime. Accused. A person who is on trial in a court, and that person must be presumed innocent in a court of law until proven guilty. Suspect. When there is a doubt on a person to be guilty of a crime by the law enforcement agency, that person would be considered as a suspect. Convicted. When a court declared after a trial that accused is guilty of an offense and declared him a sentence, then he is convicted. Arson. The act of setting a fire on someone's property with criminal intention. Arsonist. A person who set a fire on someone's property with criminal intentions. Burglary. Burglary is a crime against property. It is breaking into someone's house or some other domain in order to steal something is called burglary, and that person is called burglar. Bribery. Giving money or granting favors to influence another person's decisions or behavior. Battery. Battery is an unlawful offensive touching, such as slapping, hitting, or punching. Assault. Assault is the act of inflicting physical harm or unwanted physical contact or offensive talking in order to threaten a person. Kidnapping. The crime of unlawfully carrying away a person by force or fraud against their will is called kidnapping. Stalking. It is the unwanted pattern of contact with another person, like sitting next to someone without asking, following someone, sending letters, looking into someone's cell phone, etc. So these were all about the important English criminological vocabulary. I hope these terms will give you a lot of help in your academic career. I hope you all students got it in a very good manner. If you people didn't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel and stay focused with me. Thank you very much.